Hi, so you may remember that we started working on a really old 1950s Triang Tricycle, and here it is. I'm really proud to say that we finished it. So if I can just show it to you, here we go. If you remember, it actually had the solid rubber wheels on the back. Now, unfortunately, we couldn't get a solid front wheel. So what we got was we raided one from this here old tricycle. So we've got that for spare parts, and we put on an inflatable wheel on the front. Hopefully we can change it back to the original, but right now this is rideable. All the rust has gone. You can see here that we've painted these bits a kind of aluminium colour. We've just rubbed down here with a bit of wire wool. We've got a super duper horn, the horn I love. You ready for this? That is my favourite bit. And we've raided the seat off the old Pashley Pickle spare tricycle. And we've also raided, no, I think those are the original pedals, and then we cleaned it up. And as you can see, we've stripped everything down. We've repainted it in as close to the original colours as we can with a rattle can. I think it looks absolutely superb. And here is the piece de resistance. If we just look here, we can see we've got the little Triang badge. Now, we got that for £5 off eBay. And I think that is top notch. Now, we're not looking to make any money out of this. Well, we were, but I have now got my first great nephew, who is about 9 months old. So that is going to go in the shed and off to Kent for them to have. So I think that'll be just absolutely wicked. Another little thing we've been working on is this little bench. So we got some pretty knackered old cast iron bench ends. It's not the biggest bench, as you can see. We got those for £18 off eBay. Scrubbed them all down. You know, using the drill bit, using the sandpaper, and we got some big lump of wood from the back of the garage, and then we got some new cross bits, painted them up, and for, I think in total what cost about 60 quid, we got a nice little bench here. So that's on eBay. If somebody wants it, they can give us a bid. Otherwise, I think this is quite a nice place to have a cup of tea. If you're doing projects, I hope you're getting on well with them. And we've got some new stuff here that we're doing, so check out our latest videos. I'm going to just sit on the bench and have a cup of tea. Cheers.